Well, here our goal is to find an expression for the shaded area, and it gives a diagram with a whole bunch going on here. Let's see, the shaded area is kind of this orangish region here with these yellow squares kind of stamped out of it, right? So the area we're interested in is all this stuff, all of this kind of orangish looking stuff throughout this whole thing. So let's do it. Find an expression for the shaded area. So the approach here is first to find an expression for this entire rectangle, for the area of this entire rectangle, right? And then what we'll do is subtract out the area of these four little squares. So that's our approach. Okay, our approach is area, let's see if we can do it like this, area of the rectangle minus, well, there's four of them, so 4 times the area of a square. How about that? That's a nifty way of representing what's going to happen here. Okay, so first we need the area of a rectangle. Well, recall that the area of a rectangle is length times width. That's for a rectangle. And for a square, and this is a square, we have area is side squared, or side times side. Okay, so let's do this here. We have area of a rectangle, so it's length times width. We'll call this thing length down here, and this width, although it's actually somewhat arbitrary. Usually we choose length to be the longer of the two. So area of the rectangle is length times width, which is 3x plus 4, 3x minus 4. Okay, minus 4 times side squared, the area of the side. Well, here the length of a side is just x, so 4x squared. That's going to remove the 4 squares that are stamped out of this orange rectangular region. Okay, so this is progress. Now we just need to multiply this together. Well, here we're going to use the sum and difference rule to multiply this length and width together. Remember that we have a plus b, a minus b is simply a squared minus b squared. Okay, so let's do it. So we have 3x quantity squared minus 4 squared minus 4x squared. Okay, let's expand this out. When we square 3x, remember this 2 goes through to both terms. So this is 9x squared. If it was 3 plus x, that would not happen, by the way, so be real careful with that. Minus 4 squared is 16, minus 4x squared. And then look, we can combine like terms here. 9x squared minus 4x squared is 5x squared minus 16. There we have it, the area of the shaded region.